Hi guys, I'm Archie of Second Skin Industries and welcome back to the channel. So today we have a new segment for you guys wherein we are going to be showing you how-to videos. So today we're going to be doing a segment on how to properly clean your car. And with us today we have Ernest from Cleaners Depot and he's going to be demonstrating the proper way of cleaning your car.
Thank you for having me today, Archie.
You're welcome.
Again, my name is Ernest. I am from the Cleaners Depot, and we are the distributor of chemical guys here in the Philippines. And today, we are going to show you how to properly clean your car.
Let's go.
So today, we have a Land Rover Discovery. It has been used on a daily for the past few weeks. It's dirty, it's filthy, and we are going to use Chemical Guys products to clean this car. We are going to use a 2-bucket method. One contains water and one contains shampoo. And we are also going to use Glossworks Auto Wash Shampoo. It will surely enhance the slickness and the glossiness in the car. We are also going to use microfiber products, microfiber wash mitt and microfiber drying towels. And then after that, we are going to show you at the end of it, we're going to show you how much dirt we have removed and we haven't transferred it back to the car. We are going to set up our buckets. So we're going to use a 2-bucket method. The first bucket contains water only, and then the second bucket contains water and shampoo. The wash bucket, we're going to fill it up to like half or 3/4 of the bucket with water. And then we are going to put our dirt trap on an angle and then slowly push it down to the bottom so that it will create the vacuum. Next, we're also going to do that on the soap bucket. All right, and then we are going to put our Glossworks shampoo, just 1 squirt, that's enough, and then we're gonna pressure wash it so that it will sud. Okay, so we have already washed the car. Now we're going to dry the car using this drying towel. This is a microfiber drying towel. Okay, Archie, so we're done cleaning the car.
Wow, it looks brand new, huh?
Yeah. So again, I promised you earlier, I am going to show you how dirty the wash bucket is.
Dumi.
Yeah.
So all of those came from this car before?
Yep.
Wow.
So that's the reason why it's very important to use a 2-bucket system and a dirt trap in it. So that all of the dirt that we got from the surface of the paint is going to be trapped under and we're not going to return it.
Okay, so that way the car stays clean, correct?
Yeah, and it won't scratch or swirl the paint anymore.
That's great. All right, so Ernest, could you give us a rundown again on every step that you did to properly clean the car?
So just a quick rundown of all the things that we did today. So first, we have prepared our buckets. Always make sure to use a 2-bucket system. And then next, we rinse the car. Please make sure to rinse the car thoroughly so that all of the loose dirt will be removed before we wash the car. Next, we wash the car and we use a top-to-bottom method. And then lastly, we dry the car using a twist pile microfiber drying towel. And if you have a blower at home, it's best to use a blower as well so that all of the standing water will be removed on the creases or on the surface of the paint. Okay, that's all. Thank you for having us today, Archie.
Thank you for that, Ernest. So we now know how to properly wash a car. So guys, next time you wash your car, please stop doing it the wrong way and do it the right way. So if you want to see more how-to videos, please check out our how-to playlist. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We also posted our socials here down below, so follow us here. And once again, I'm Archie of Second Skin Industries. We have Ernest of Cleaners Depot. Thank you for watching this video and we'll see you on the next one.